Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's still your sister here, Musiat Olubalogun, Executive Director of Hijab Rights Advocacy Initiative. We are still here at the Supreme Court in Abuja, where the landmark judgment of Asiat Abdul Karim versus Lagos State has just been delivered. We are still here with the team of lawyers that have supported this cause since it started in 2014. Sister Asiat Abdul Karim and her father is also here with us, like you saw in the earlier video. I'm going to speak with Barrister Kaka now, who is the chairman of the Muslim Lawyers Association of Nigeria, Lagos State branch. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Please give us a comment on this landmark judgment, this historical moment that has just been delivered.
Well, alhamdulillah, 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 Rabbil Alameen. This is a victory to Islam, the victory to our sisters who has been victimized in their various schools, various places of work, and this is a landmark judgment that will serve as precedent to various other hijab cases that we have in all the courts in the state, in the Federation of Nigeria. Alhamdulillah, we thank Almighty Allah that we've come this long way up to from the High Court, Court of Appeal to Supreme Court, and this is the final judgment. And after this, there's no other judgment. And Allah has said it that He is the one that will guide Islam, that will protect His religion. We thank those that are involved in this victory, that have gone to, and we equally give thanks to Almighty Allah for the life of our father, that is the learned Sheikh Adetola Kasim. May Allah grant him and continue to protect all that he leaves behind. Islam is a religion of peace, and we've told this path to this level, and it shall continue to be that religion of peace as Allah has prescribed it. We thank Almighty Allah for the victory.
Alhamdulillah. Amin wa antum. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. That was the chairman of Mulan giving us, his own take on this historical moment. I'm also going to be talking to one of our profs here that also represented us. In fact, the first hijab matter that was taken to court ever in Nigeria was taken by this our father. He's Professor Abdurrashid Yusuf, a lecturer. Yes, and one of the grounds of appeal is that and Alhamdulillah is here. Is a lecturer in the University of Abuja, and is also one of the council that also led us here this morning in the Supreme Court to this massive victory. So, Prof, we want you to give, a few comments.
Nothing, just Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. That's all.
Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. May Allah accept all the efforts of our brothers and sisters on this path. I'm also joined here by two of my senior colleagues, Barrister Ismail Adebayo and also Brother Barrister Sofiullah Oladipo. They are also counsels that have been involved in this matter since 2014, when the learned Sheikh, may Allah have mercy on his soul and put him at Jannah, Barrister Abdulgani Adetola Kazim, led this whole struggle. May Allah put him in Jannah. May Allah accept his. So what is your advice for all hijab wearing Muslim women? What message do you have for them this morning?
Well, my message to everybody is for our sisters in the primary and secondary schools, they have judgment in their favor. So they should firstly not shy away from using their hijabs. They are encouraged to use the hijab as regulated by the school uniform on their uniforms. So they should not feel shy to use it. I'm sure by now nobody will be ready to disobey the judgment of the Supreme Court. So I would encourage them, they should use their hijabs over there, so long as it complies with the colors of the school uniform. There should be no more harassment, no more persecution over the use of hijab.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Yes.
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. What we are just trying to do is to continue to propagate the deen of Islam. It's what Allah has enjoined, and some forces of darkness are trying to suppress.
And it is even in the constitution. It's human rights.
The will of Allah has been more espoused, has been well established. Alhamdulillah. So it's to just what we just say is that there is no fear anymore. There's no worry, there's no concern. The veil has been unlifted. So there is no fear for anyone. There is no doubt. There is no reason for anybody to be subdued under any guise that you cannot use hijab. So it's been established. It's a dictate of Almighty Allah, and now domesticated, re-emphasized, affirmed by the judgment of the Supreme Court of Nigeria that nobody should be harassed, intimidated, discriminated in any form whatsoever to use their hijab. It's a right ordained by Allah, and nobody has a right to go against it. Alhamdulillah, once again. We commend all our colleagues, our father, Chibaritola Kazimese, may Allah bless his soul. And all the teams that have worked with him up to this level, may Allah continue to crown our effort with success. Inshallah. Alhamdulillah, once again. Congrats to everybody, all Muslims all over the world, in Nigeria, Muslim lawyers, the family of those who have sacrificed to be part of this struggle. We say congratulations to everybody. Once again, thank you.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Yes, so before I go, I'm going to speak with Sister Asiat Abdul Karim. Yes, Sister Asiat Abdul Karim. She's also I think she's on the MSS platform now. Who was a GS3 girl when this case started, and she and her family have been firm and been patient and have been how will I say, they followed the rule of law to get to this well-deserved justice years after. This is about 8 years or even more after that particular case started. We thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for giving us justice today. So we are going to say that to Sister Asiat Abdul Karim, if she can just give a word of encouragement to other Muslim sisters that may currently be facing persecution or may face it in the future. Sister Asiat Abdul Karim.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everyone. I'm Asiat Abdul Karim once again. So yes, the judgment has been passed, and alhamdulillah it was in our favor. So this is just to tell us that whenever you are on the path of Allah, you are on the path of truth, you will definitely conquer. I think that's all I have to say.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah. Very brief. She said whenever you're on the path of Allah, you're on the path of truth, you will definitely conquer. So my dear sisters in Islam, our children, our mothers, please always affirm your right to obey the laws of your Creator. It is enshrined in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and it is also been affirmed by the highest court of the land, that is the Supreme Court in Abuja. My name remains Mutiatu Olubalogun of Hijab Rights Advocacy Initiative. Yes, signing out. But before I go, I'm going to talk to the lead counsel that led us in this case, Barrister Hassan T. Fajimete. He's going to also give us a word before we finally sign out.
Hello.
Yes, please go ahead, sir. The video is live.
Alhamdulillah.
All the generality of the Muslim Ummah who have been waiting patiently since 2014 for today's judgment to be delivered. Today we are at the Supreme Court in Abuja, and this landmark judgment has been delivered. You, our father, has led us, through this struggle in the Supreme Court here. So we want your comments before we finally sign.
We thank Almighty Allah, the Lord of the world. Alhamdulillah, ala kulli hal.